Hi guys, hi friends and family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Just want to share with you a fun idea for a bee themed tablescape. Great for like if you're having a mommy to be luncheon or baby shower or be happy. If you're having a meeting, these are just some good ideas. So first of all, I'm going to start over here. I got these pillows on clearance last year. You guys look out, like after after 4th of July, a lot of summer stuff goes on clearance. And at Walmart, they had these pillows here, and they were about $2 or something like that. They were very inexpensive, and they like were originally probably $9, $10. And then at Dollar Tree, they had these placemats here. Then I have a black charger I got from Pier 1 years ago. This is a great idea, a great combination of mixing old and new. Okay, so these bee placemats are new. I put an old leather-like black charger on there. I got these plates from Dollar Tree. I love these. These are so cute. And then the lunch plate has Be Happy on it. The cutlery it's really expensive, but I don't know where I got it from. This Be Happy stemless wine glass came from Dollar Tree. These are so cute. And then this wine glass here as well came from Dollar Tree. And these are just as good as the high-end. I've seen these in high-end stores, and they can go up to like $12, and I got it at Dollar Tree, $1.25. These are cute, I like them. And then I have these linen napkins here. This linen polka dot, and I put a napkin ring around it. It has a bee theme. I got that from Hobby Lobby on clearance. So I probably paid less than $1 for that. And that's what living and doing things tastefully for less is all about. You get the same items, but you just know how to shop off season when the clearances are. Everything on here came from clearance items, and they were brand new. Okay, and then I love these wooden candle holders. These are wooden, white, and I have a white candle on there. And I love, this is my favorite thing. This is a lantern that I use as a pot for my floral arrangements. And I just have some faux flowers in here right now. Got some sunflowers. I even got some lemons in here. Do what you want, you know, just to make it full, because a lot of times I'll transition this from a bee theme to a lemon theme. And have your sunflowers. I have my tropical leaves, tropical palm ferns in there, and an assortment of different greenery in there, and just to make it fun. Now over here, everything's the same, but I like to mix up. Now here I have a stripe. These are satin stripe napkins. Same bee napkin ring. Okay, so I have like the stripe, 2 stripe place settings, and then 2 polka dot. Okay, so this is just a nice way to welcome your guest, and just have a little lemonade, which I forgot to pour the lemonade, and just garnish your wine glass with a slice of lemon, put a little charcuterie out, and that'll get the party started. Get your wine out or your apple cider. And so this is my bee themed tablescape. So just wanted to give you some inspiration to make things fun around the house. If you're, you know, summertime, you're entertaining guests, you're having an afternoon tea, having a cool lunch, you know, have salads and refreshing foods, and this is a fun way to do it. Okay, and then I also want to express the importance of having different levels. You see how high the floral arrangement is? And then we jump down to where the candles are. Because at first I had like some really low candles, you know, kind of have a gradual, you know, different levels. You see the candles go down. Okay, and then our glassware is a little lower than the candlesticks. And then we have our other glass here. And so we have different levels. And that makes it more symmetrical. And then I put my pillows there. And we're good. Or like they say, now the kids be saying, now it's Gucci. It's good. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support and just want to give you some inspiration. And if you got any ideas or inspiration or like this video, I appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. And go on and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All right, I appreciate your support. Thanks. See you in my next video. All right, bye, Mom.